The Economist recently published that India is going to be the second largest economy by the year 2050. With that kind of platform, if you look at the facility market in India, it's estimated to be around 500 billion INR. But the rate at which it's growing, 25% plus on the CAGR, you can very well visualize its reach by 2050, around 1500 billion INR. With that kind of potential, this market has huge opportunities to be explored. Non-core activities require constant expertise, and outsourcing such expertise boosts the growth of the organization. Not only because it's cost efficient, but also it lets the organization focus on its core competency. Moreover, it allows the organization to bifurcate its functions so that they can clearly define their functional strategy. The outsourcing liabilities and staffing requirements are the primary concerns of any organization.
Greetings from Forbes Facility. I would like to introduce Forbes Facility as an organization to you. This organization comes from the stable of Shapoorji Pallonji, Eureka Forbes. With these kind of great names, there is a lot associated with it. Eureka Forbes has won 6 times the MAKE Awards, which go for the best knowledge management, and that's where we benefit from, because we have our knowledge imparted all India at one time through this particular portal, and all our employees are logged on to that, so they can download and use that knowledge everywhere. They can also share their knowledge over there. The same platform gives us strength in terms of the accounting policies, the accounting resources. The entire framework is based on SAP. Now, for our kind of business to be SAP empowered is really a privilege that we enjoy, because we come from this particular family.
At Forbes Facility, we have ensured the quality not only in commercial sectors but also in heavy industries as well in public sector. We have live examples of our expertise in managing cleaning activity within refinery, residential complexes, hotels, hospitals and various commercial establishments. Western Railway, everybody knows, is a public sector which all the commuters have a local movement in that. We had suffered to clean every day, and till date we are doing it since last 2 years. We have been appreciated by Mumbai Mirror for our good work time and again.
Business verticals. Each new assignment undertaken by the Forbes facility begins with a scientific study and analysis of the client's premises. The problem is then defined in detail and a plan of action is chalked out so that both the parties involved in the problem discussion mutually agree upon a solution. All this helps them maintain their service standards, and in the process, Forbes successfully reduces waste generation, takes calculated steps for environment protection, does it right the first time after training, empowers employees after training, creates supplier partnership link, continuously improves work culture.
The best thing which I found here is the supervision of the team. They are very prompt, active, and whenever called, they attend within minutes. The second good part is you have a good feedback monitoring system through which you come to know how your team is behaving or working and what is the result.
Bharat Forge, the world's largest metal forging company with its multi-location manufacturing, had manpower-based housekeeping for many years. Forbes Facility Services were approached for mechanized housekeeping in the year 2006 for the FMD division, and from there on, Forbes Facility managed their NCD and office blocks in all their manufacturing units. Deploying its constant expertise in handling coolant and ash-based refuse, Forbes Facility has been able to raise operational efficiency by cutting their expenses while still maintaining high quality levels for employees and guests.
After the client experiences our services and we take their feedback, this customer satisfaction reports does have attributes which are ranked most higher out of 3, 2 and 1. 3 is very good, 2 is good and 1 is poor. Every month we have an improvement plan, and as per the plan we review our processes in 3 categories as people, process and product. So these are the basic operational measures that we take every day to excel our services.
The 4 tenets on which our company is based on are the earning, learning, pride and fun. Now these 4 concepts or these 4 tenets, they drive our organization. We are in a business which is very closely related with people, and that's where these tenets help us a lot in terms of enjoying our work as well as getting our employees to enjoy their life.
वो फैसिलिटी ने मुझे सुपरवाइज़र बनाया है। पहले मैं एक रूम देखने लगा, आज अभी मैं गेस्ट हाउस और रिफाइनरीज और बहुत बड़े ऐसा स्टाफ संभाल सकता हूँ, और वो फैसिलिटी ने मुझे उतना करने की एक भरोसा दिया हुआ है और मुझे समाज में एक इज्जत भी मिली हुई है, उससे मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
Because of the strategic tie-up with Eureka Forbes today, we have very good support from Eureka Forbes. Though we have our own maintenance and mechanical team who takes care of daily regular breakdowns and reduce the lead time. We also have a very good storage system for minor equipments or the repairable equipments which are need to be there. So further on we are more confident with this kind of a measurable utility with us to ensure that the satisfaction level is above 80% every month.
Since its inception, Forbes facility is known for its quality. This quality policy comes from our mission, which we inherit from Eureka Forbes Limited. That is to have safe, healthy and pollution-free environment.
Eureka Forbes has helped Forbes facility enter new markets without having to face too many barriers. All thanks to its vast spread network of 237 customer relationship centers spread across 145 cities. This has enabled Forbes facility to mark its presence in more than 46 cities in a short span of 7 years, also giving them the required impetus to qualify for quality certification like ISO 9001 in 2008, ISO 14000 and ISO 18000, certificates that are a hallmark of quality assurance worldwide.
It's our ambition to go for ISO 22000 or a HACCP certification for our food services, and we are sure we will achieve that by the end of this year.
So Forbes facility can proudly say, you manage your work, we manage your workplace.